Hi, this is Lara from forexinfo US with your free US dollar index Elliott Wave analysis. I provide a subscription service for analysis of the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Currently, I am offering a $1 trial for the first week on all my packages. So go to forexinfo, click on the big fat green subscribe button to check it out. I wanted to redo this end of the week video because I didn't think that I had made myself as clear as I wanted to be. So I have another chart for you in an attempt at greater clarity. In my last post I said that the dollar had topped, and it may very well have done, although looking at this structure more carefully, I'm thinking that a possibility that it's going to go higher is a little more likely. Keeping in mind, however, the bigger picture says we're in wave 3 at minor or blue of wave 3 at primary degree or maroon. So we're in a third wave of a third wave. Well, third wave of a first wave of a third wave. So we're going to see some really strong upwards movement from the dollar in coming weeks. Keeping in mind that bigger picture, we don't want to get too bogged down in technicalities, but here goes. So according to my last post, the dollar had topped with an end to wave 1 pink, an end to wave 5 green, and this wave 5 had just gone over price equality with wave 1. Now the reason why I looked at an alternate scenario for this is I don't like this structure for a third wave. It doesn't look right. This looks like a zigzag, not a 5-wave impulse. And this looks like a zigzag, not a 5-wave impulse. So with that in mind, I had a look to see if this could be something else. And it could be an ending expanding diagonal. Now with that, each subwave should divide into 3, and we have a nice zigzag here, a really good one here. Certainly a zigzag could be seen here, although it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, but you can see a zigzag here as well, a little flexibility. This could be a zigzag, this may be evolving into a zigzag. Now an ending expanding diagonal, each subsequent wave should be longer than its partner. So 5 should be longer than 3, should be longer than 1. 4 must be longer than 2. Therefore 5 has to reach up to at least 79.2. Now that may take this wave 5 green into the territory of having price equality with wave 3. To get up to price equality, it should get up to 79.94. So we have a target of just above 79.2 to 79.94. So that's why it was the structure of these waves, specifically this part here, that made me think, well, maybe this was a diagonal, which meant it had further up to go. Now, if it's not, going back to the original count, if this is A, B, and B doesn't go up further, we can expect C to equal A. If, however, B tops a little over this, once it gets over this point, 79.02, but if it stays under 79.2, if it's in that target and turns back down, we may see an expanded flat correction, which would see C a deeper correction, about 1.618 of the length of wave A. So once the structure resolves itself, we'll try and figure out how deep the correction's going to go. But keep in mind that a correction is imminent, probably in the first part of next week. Thereafter, we're going to have wave 3 of wave 3 to go. Thereafter, we're going to have some really strong downwards movement. So I hope my explanation for why I entertained the possibility about the dollar going higher when I previously called a high, I hope that explanation is sufficient. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome rest of your weekend, guys. And again, as always, may all your trades next week be profitable.